Hello, children. I'm Apurva from Reading Stars, and I'm a volunteer for the Reading Stars online library. So, today we're going to read a very interesting story called Angry Akku. It's written and illustrated by Vinayak Verma, and it is published by Pratham Publishers. Before we begin, can you tell us something? What makes you angry? Okay, now let's start with the story. So as you can see here, this is the cover page, and you can see that there is a picture of a very angry girl and two crayons. Let's find out more. When the last school bell rang, all the children laughed and screamed with joy. All except Akku. Akku was angry. So we can see it quite clearly, no? Akku is very angry. You can see this girl with two plaits who's turning a somersault. She's so delighted that school is over. This girl behind her is also dancing, and these two boys are waving their school bags and dancing. Wow, everyone is happy, but not Akku. Do you know why? Let's find out. Now here you can see that Akku's father is taking her home on his cycle, and the red cloud around her head is still very much intact. Akku, Akku, look at the pretty sunflowers, said Appa as they rode through a field. Grrr, they're too yellow. They're making my eyes hurt, said Akku. Akku, Akku, look at all the monkeys, said Appa, pointing to the roof of their house. Chee, said Akku. Shoo, shoo, go away. Here you can see Akku's she's waving her fists at the monkeys, and the cloud around her head is still red. Here, drink some buttermilk, said Appa. It'll cool you down, said Akku. I don't want any. Try a sip at least. Okay, fine, said Akku, and she tried a sip. It wasn't all that bad. So she had another sip, then another. In no time, the glass was empty. You can also see something else here, right? The cloud around her head is becoming slightly pink from the red it was before. Would you like a vada? Asked Appa. Fair, said Akku. Just one little bite? Okay, fine, said Akku, and she took a bite. It was quite good. So she took another bite and another. In no time, the plate was empty. Good girl, said Appa. Now will you tell me why you're so angry? No, said Akku. Was it something I did? No. Was it something Amma did? No. Did something bad happen in school today? Maybe. Aha. Now Appa's being a detective and trying to find out what's happened to Akku. Would you like to draw it? Asked Appa. Here is a nice sheet of paper and some crayons. Okay, fine, said Akku. Akku drew a brick. This is the stupid brick that I tripped over this morning, said Akku. You're right, that is a very stupid brick, said Appa. And Akku drew a boy. This is Bikku, a very bad boy. He laughed when I fell down, said Akku. You're right, said Appa. He shouldn't have laughed at you. And Akku drew an idli. This is my idli, said Akku. It fell out of my lunchbox when I tripped over the stupid brick. And Akku drew a crow. This is the very bad crow that flew off with my idli, said Akku. The crow must have been very hungry, no? Said Appa. And Akku drew her teacher. This is my teacher, Amla Miss, said Akku. She helped me when I fell down, and then she hugged me. That's nice of her, said Appa. And then she pinched my cheeks. I don't like it when my cheeks are pinched. Oh ho, that must have hurt, no? A little bit, but I'm okay now. That's good. See how well you draw, Akku, said Appa. You're a real artist. Will you draw something for Amma too? Okay, said Akku. And she started drawing some more. This is a little white mouse. This is a boat. This is a coconut tree. This is a sunflower. And this is your cycle, Appa. And this is a dog. This is a frog. In no time, Akku had forgotten all about that stupid brick that made her trip and fall, and also about the bad boy who laughed at her, and about the idli stealing crow. And you know what? Akku also forgot about being angry. Now, children, can you see all the things that Akku drew? They are also on the page. Can you find where they are? And did you notice one more thing? Is there a cloud around Akku's head anymore? No, right? So the cloud of anger has just gone away and Akku has cheered up now. So shall we find out what all things we can do when we feel angry like Akku? You can laugh loudly and jump around with your arms in the air. Can you see Akku here? She's doing the same thing. Slowly, very slowly, breathe in and breathe out. How do you do that? Drink some water or buttermilk, eat a piece of fruit or a vada. Tell a grown up about how you're feeling. Write it about how you're feeling. Draw it out and paint it. Play with a pile of clay. Make up a song about your anger. Sing it aloud. Or you can even dance like a monkey. So, children, I hope you enjoyed this story. Now, we have some questions for you. So, as we saw in the story, when Akku was angry, there was a red cloud around her head, right? So, we know that the feeling of being angry is shown by red. So, similarly, do you know of any other emotions that have colors? Can you check your WhatsApp emoji keyboard and let us know? Okay. Next question. Akku's mother is not there in this story, right? Where do you think she is? Okay, coming to the last question. When Akku came home from school, they passed a field of sunflowers, right? So, using this clue, can you guess where Akku lives in India? Let us know, okay? Thank you for listening to the story and see you soon with a new story. Bye.